There's a quiet shift happening in the world of inside design, a movement away from the expected and towards something more grounded, more timeless. Imagine walking into a home where every surface feels intentional, where textures tell a story, and where the raw beauty of nature takes center stage. Today, we're exploring a bold idea that's redefining modern spaces. Stone is the new wood. In this episode of Hamburlung Studio, we dive into the art of blending farmhouse decor with Japandi simplicity. Two styles that, at first glance, seem worlds apart, yet come together in perfect harmony. Think clean lines softened by organic textures, minimalist spaces warmed by earthy tones, and stone elements that bring depth, character, and a sense of permanence into your home. This isn't just about decorating, it's about creating a feeling. So whether you're redesigning a single room or reimagining your entire inside design, this journey will show you how to use stone to elevate your decor, balance your space, and transform your home into a sanctuary of calm and authenticity. Let's step inside and discover the secrets together. Crafting a calm sanctuary. Imagine stepping into a living room where time slows down, where every surface tells a story shaped by nature itself. This is where the stone aesthetic begins, at the heart of your home. To create this look, start with a neutral palette, soft beiges, warm greys, and muted whites. These tones act as a canvas for your raw geological elements. Introduce a statement stone wall. Think limestone or textured concrete, to anchor the space. Pair it with low-profile Japandi furniture, clean lines, natural wood, and soft linen upholstery. Layer in farmhouse decor touches like a reclaimed wood coffee table or a hand-woven rug. The key is balance, raw stone textures contrasted with smooth, calming surfaces. Add soft lighting, maybe a paper lantern or warm LED strips, to highlight the stone's natural imperfections. This isn't just inside design, it's storytelling through texture. Functional beauty in stone. Now, let's move into the kitchen, the soul of the home. Picture a space where cooking feels like a ritual, grounded by the earth beneath your fingertips. Start with stone countertops. Granite or soapstone works beautifully. Let the edges remain slightly raw for that organic feel. Pair them with matte wood cabinetry in light oak or walnut tones. Open shelving adds a farmhouse decor touch, perfect for displaying ceramic dishes or stoneware. For the dining area, choose a solid wood table with subtle grain patterns. Surround it with minimalist chairs. Japandi style thrives on simplicity. Add a centerpiece, a rough stone bowl or a small arrangement of dried branches. The fusion here is intentional. Modern inside design meets rustic authenticity, creating a space that feels both grounded and elevated. Designing a restful space with earthy elegance. Your bedroom should feel like a quiet escape, a place where the outside world fades away. With the stone aesthetic, you can create a deeply calming environment. Start with a feature wall behind your bed using natural stone panels or textured plaster. Keep the rest of the room minimal. Japandi design thrives on negative space. Choose a low wooden bed frame, soft cotton bedding in neutral tones, and avoid clutter. Incorporate farmhouse decor subtly, perhaps a vintage wooden bench at the foot of the bed or a linen throw. Add soft lighting with warm tones, and maybe a small indoor plant to bring life into the space. This is more than just a bedroom, it's a sanctuary shaped by nature and intention. Spa-like serenity in stone. Step into your bathroom and feel like you've entered a natural spa. The stone aesthetic truly shines here. Use stone tiles for the walls or floors, slate, travertine, or even river rock for the shower base. Pair these with minimalist fixtures in matte black or brushed brass. A floating wooden vanity adds warmth and ties in the Japandi influence. Keep decor minimal, maybe a single ceramic vase or a folded linen towel stack. Let the materials speak for themselves.
The goal is to create a space that feels shant, grounded, and timeless. This is inside design that reconnects you with the earth every single day. Extending the aesthetic outdoors. Finally, let's step outside. Your garden is an extension of your home, and the perfect place to fully embrace raw geological textures. Incorporate stone pathways, gravel beds, and natural rock formations. Keep the layout simple and intentional. Japandi gardens are all about balance and flow.
Add wooden elements like benches or pergolas to bring in that farmhouse decor charm. Choose plants that complement the aesthetic: bamboo, moss, or small shrubs. Water features, like a simple stone fountain, can add a calming auditory element. This outdoor space becomes a living piece of art, where nature and design exist in harmony. As we've seen today, embracing the idea that stone is the new wood opens up a whole new perspective in inside design. From grounding your living spaces with raw textures to blending farmhouse decor with Japandi minimalism, each choice brings your home closer to a balance of warmth, simplicity, and natural beauty. It's about layering materials, softening strong elements, and creating a decor style that feels both modern and timeless. If this inspired you to rethink your home and experiment with stone in your inside design, then you're already part of the Hamburg Studio journey.